Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can reset the LG without remote. So the first thing is that you can look for smart TV remote apps for LG smart TVs, and then you can use that to control your smart TV with your phone or tablet. And that's something that you can try to do. And you can just like download it if you're just gonna write it on Google, just like LG smart TV app. So try it out. This is the first thing, and then you can like reset it through the phone. Or the second thing, also restarting the TV, press and hold the power button on TV for about 10 seconds. This is way to reset your LG TV. This is a soft reset. And unplug TV from the wall. After your TV powers, you don't want to draw power from any source, and wait at least 1 minute, and then you want to plug the TV back on and turn it on. Another thing that you can try to do is that you want to unplug it, press and hold the power button. While you're holding press and power button for like 10 seconds, and while you're gonna hold the power button, while you're doing that, you just want to plug it back in. And that's something that you want to do and try. So yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.